All right, so here we have absolute value on both sides of the equal sign. So what that means is we're going to take the left one, drop the absolute value, set it equal to the right one after we drop the absolute value, and we also have to do the left one and set it equal to the opposite of the right one. Okay. All right, so here what we have to do is, well, if we subtract 1/4 x from here, that gives us 0 equals 10, and so that's not possible. Okay, so that work doesn't work. But this one, what we have to do is we have to distribute that negative here. So 1/4 x equals a negative 10, and then minus 1/4 x. So now we're going to add 1/4 x to this side. So we'll take 1 plus 1/4 x plus 1/4 x. So that's going to be 2/4 x equals a negative 10. Well, 2/4 is just really 1/2, but at this point, it's not going to matter. So let's multiply by the reciprocal. And so that cancels that cancels that. We get x equals. Now 2, we'll go in here 2, and now we have 2 times that's going to give us a negative 20. And so that is the only solution to this one here. Now, is it smart to go and check your answers? Yeah, I would say the best thing to do would be check your answers. So if you plug in negative 20 in here, you're going to take 1/4 of 20 is 5. It's negative. Absolute value, that's a positive 5. So we get 5 on this side. Here, if we take 1/4 of 20, it's going to be a negative 5. Plus 10 is going to be a positive 5. The absolute value, that is 5. Those equal, so it works. This one didn't work out because when you subtract 1/4 x here, subtract 1/4 x here, you get 0. This side you get 10, and so it's just not possible. All right, here's one where we start doing inequalities as well as the equalities. So first off, let's do this one. So we're going to have 3x is equal to what? Well, 15, or 3x equals minus 15. So we divide by 3, x equals a 5, divide by 3, x equals a minus 5. So here x is equal to 5 or a minus 5. And again, usually you write the negative first, but I don't know why I'm writing it the other way, but it's not, it doesn't matter. Both answers are there, so it's all that matters. Now this one with the less than, that becomes the and or the tripartite. And so we have 3x is less than 15. Then we have to say, but that's greater than a negative 15. So basically we take whatever's over here, put it over here, and change the sign. Now we divide by 3. And so minus 5 less than x less than positive 5. And so we can leave it like that. Sometimes they might say, okay, we'll put it in interval notation. So that's going to be a minus 5 to a 5. It depends on what they're asking for, but that either one of those are going to be good solutions. Now with the greater than, that one we end up with an or. Or 3x is going to be less than negative 15. So we have the or. It's going to be this or this. So again, we divide by 3. So x is greater. Oops, not the right letters there. X is greater than 5, or divide by 3, divide by 3. X is less than a minus 5. Okay, so that would be one way to write it. Or we could say, okay, well, if x is less than a minus 5, so it's going to be negative infinity to a minus 5 union, or it's going to be greater than positive 5, 5 comma positive infinity. So that would be kind of the way to write that one. Now these, it's 5 and negative 5. This is on the interval from here to here, and this has the or piece here because it's going to be from here to here or here to here. All right, let's stop there and come back for some more.